So if you're wanting to get started flying drones for the first time, I have two drones right here that I highly recommend. The DJI MINI 4 Pro and the DJI AVATA. There are links in the descriptions if you want to just skip right to it and go buy one. Just click that link and go do it. But if you want to learn a little bit more, keep watching. So I want to keep this video short and sweet. If you're thinking about buying your first drone in 2024, I recommend these two right here. This is the DJI MINI 4 Pro, and this is the DJI AVATA. They're kind of the same, but they're also very different. The MINI 4 is designed for photography and video primarily. If you want to take beautiful, sweeping landscape shots or do things that are stabilized and look really cinematic and beautiful, this is the drone for you. It's small, lightweight, under 250 grams if you're using the right configuration. It's very, very easy to fly, and it's designed to take amazing 4K footage, beautiful photographs, and has a bunch of filters you can put on it and other accessories to make your footage look almost as good as the higher end drones for a very reasonable price. It's also compatible with the upgraded RC2, which enables you to use it without your phone. It has obstacle avoidance, sensors everywhere really, and it does a great job on obstacle avoidance. You can shoot video both horizontally and vertically. This thing is just a little workhorse when it comes to shooting really cinematic and beautiful video. But if you're more interested in learning how to really fly a drone and fly it in acro mode, that's where the AVATA comes in. It's one of the simplest ways to get into flying FPV or first-person view drones. All you've got to do is take this thing, put it into normal mode, get used to flying in the goggles, slowly switch over to acro mode, and pretty soon you'll be doing flips and dives and all kinds of crazy moves. The AVATA does have stabilization, but it's not a mechanical gimbal. It's electronic stabilization, and it looks pretty good, but it's a different vibe than what you get with the MINI 4. It's definitely something a little bit more action-oriented, and it's used for chasing things, doing fly-throughs where you don't want to have obstacle avoidance getting in your way and stopping you from flying, and just having a lot of fun learning how to fly. It still can take pretty cool footage, but it's not going to look as cinematic as it does with the MINI 4. But if you want to get into flying FPV, the AVATA is just an easy, quick way to do it. And then if you want to go out and build bigger drones, 6S drones, or learn how to fly things that are a lot faster, racing quads, doing freestyle, then you can do that. So don't get me wrong, the AVATA is not designed for crazy freestyle tricks or anything like that. It's really designed to get you into flying FPV in the easiest way possible with the least resistance and actually flying in acro, which you can do with the AVATA just fine. And you can get some really cool footage with it. But if you want to get into really flying crazy freestyle acrobatic FPV, there's a lot of other options out there. But if you're just getting started and want to fly FPV, I recommend the AVATA. If you're just getting started and want to fly a drone that will get you cinematic, beautiful footage, I recommend the MINI 4. Of course, there's tons of videos out about both of these drones, a lot on our channel, Ready Set Drone. I encourage you to check them out to learn more. But if you're just wanting to get into drone flying for the very first time, these are the two I would highly consider starting with. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Ready Set Drone.